What do you want?
This
Sagittal
one,
section, right? Cortex, neocortex, gyrus, pay attention, gyrus and some depression, right? Then we have gray matter and white matter. On the surface we have gray matter, this is white matter. Now we have corpus callosum, entrance to the lateral ventricle. Then you don't need this one, this is a projection of the thalamus. And here we have the projection of the thalamus and intermediate mass. Here we have hypothalamus, projection of it, not this hypothalamus itself. But the area and the space, if you have pointer in this area and the question is about the space, that would be third ventricle. Here we have the optic nerve, optic chiasm. Infundibulum is connected to this place, and here we have the pituitary gland right there. Okay, so this is mammillary body, and the second one is right there. Now the pineal gland here. Then we have mid-brain structures, and then we have pons and medulla oblongata, and here we have spinal cord. There is cerebellum, aqueduct, fourth ventricle, so lateral third and aqueduct.
Which one is third ventricle?
Third, there is this space that has a direct connection to the aqueduct, and then it becomes...
That's a
Yeah. So what else? That's all.
Well, yeah.
Or something else.
One more time, what is this and what is
What about the lobe?
Gyrus elevations. That's all you need to know.
Also, the gyros are elevated.
All of the gyrus are elevated. Here we have the
this one?
central sulcus. Let me see this one, central sulcus. So there is frontal, there is occipital sulcus. You're not responsible for that, but there actually it does tell you where occipital lobe starts, and we have the like two of them, right? So parietal and occipital. Here is the temporal, and there is lateral sulcus, sagittal fissure, transverse fissure. Nerves, 1, 2. I will not name them, all of them, and describe everything about them for you, right?
Okay.
Because you definitely know, right? 1,
Oh, yeah, I have her.
2, 3, this one, 3, 4. 3 is huge one, right? And 4th is tiny. If you look at the sheep brain, you'll see the difference.
On the top of midbrain.
This is, yes, this is 3, oculomotor. Here we have the 4th. There is, which one? You remember? Tell me.
Which?
Or you get additional minus. I'm sorry.
You're not my favorite teacher anymore.
So there is trochlear nerve, and there is number 5, trigeminal, right? There is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one, vagus, and that is 11. These are not 11 or 12. These are spinal cervical nerves. And this is number 12.
External auditory and
There is a 12. Hypoglossal, the one that has to do with speech and tongue movement. Yes. So remember, 12 is speech, accessory is neck, vagus is ventral cavity organs, right? 11 is neck, muscles,
And 10
right? 10 is vagus, wandering, how you say it? The one that goes around, like, you know, without
it's wondering.
specific
Okay, then
target or not. So that would be vagus, right? So 9, 8, 7, and it's difficult to count the opposite way. For me, I not trained very much. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And olfactory bulb here.
Okay,
Yes.
olfactory smell.
So which one is optic chiasm?
Optic chiasm is right there. If you take two parts of that model, you will see the cross.
Optic
Oh,
chiasm.
yes, there is optic chiasm, olfactory. These are olfactory.
Bulb or
Olfactory bulbs are here. They are not shown on this model, but you'll see them everywhere else. Okay, on every different models. 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, I don't see without glasses here. This one is 4. This one that sticks out, right? Yeah. So there is 5. There is 6. There is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cervical.
What about like 11 is only one or?
11 a third.
Okay.
Yeah, two sides.